Your home is the most important financial asset you own, and as a result, it has the most details to keep track of.
Between budgets, tasks, and a host of other stress-inducing details, you need some help to keep it all straight.
That's where HomeZada comes in.
HomeZada is a digital home management app with all the important information pertinent to your largest financial asset, your home.
It includes a home inventory with photos, documents, and videos that help make sure you are properly insured and identifies all the furniture, electronics, equipment, appliances, and more in your home.
The home maintenance schedule automatically reminds you of important seasonal checklists to ensure that you keep your home safe, healthy, and operating efficiently.
Plan and manage all your remodel, landscaping, and design projects in one place.
HomeZada helps you save money and stay in control by tracking your shopping research, budgets, costs, photos, and any valuable documents.
HomeZada even tracks your estimated home value, mortgage balance, and home equity. It also provides the ability to budget for your household expenses.
It's time to save money and easily manage your home. Go to homezada.com to get started today.